Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here on strategic.com.sg and market recap for the Straits Times Index trading week ending the 2nd of July 2021. Yes, the start of July, and the STI is stuck in a bit of a range at the moment. And last week on my blog, the update was a range to be expected between 3024 and 3240. And if you do look at the monthly charts, you can see that has been happening. And currently, price action is stuck between this Ichimoku SSSA line and the Ichimoku SSSB line. And currently, price action is waiting to either break out above this trend line to test 3406, which was a level that was hit in 2018, or a breakthrough and break down below to test lower levels. So currently, the next level to test on the monthly charts is at 2827. But before we touch that particular level, we need to break the super trend line on the weekly charts. So talking about the weekly charts, you can see that the long signal is still very much valid at 2693, starting in 7th of November last year, targeting at 3406. So a bit of a range action on the weekly charts. You can also see price close at 3128, supported by this pivot. Very important point to note, because this pivot at 3024 has been support all the way since November last year. It must not be broken, otherwise we'll test lower levels. Currently, we are resting on this Tenkan line at 3130, and essentially, if we are able to bounce back up, then we resume our journey to 3406. Otherwise, a test of 3024 might be imminent if the daily's chart continue its bearish stance. So continuing with our daily charts, which I think most of you are using for your trades, whichever equity you're trading or whichever stock you're trading on the STI, there is weakness setting in with a short signal at the 3097 level on the 29th of June 2021, targeting 3024. And as you can see from last week's blog on the left side of your screen, there was already a long signal on the 1st of June, and that didn't work out because this long signal tested that particular pivot at 3099, broke it, and we might see a little bit of weakness moving into next week to test that 3024 level on that weekly charts. The only way to resume its uptrend is for this price action to bounce above the current pivot at 3182, which I will update on my blog in an hour's time to test that 3406 level to the upside. Similarly, short-term weakness persists and is confirmed by the 4-hourly charts. That short signal at 3125 on the 21st of June 2021 is still in play. We did break that target of 3099, and currently we want to see how price action moves on next week, and a break above 3147 will negate this short-term downtrend. So, as a summary of the price action for the Straits Times Index closing last week, the monthly charts are still on an uptrend. However, weakness is setting in, supported by the SSSB line. And if we do break this SSSB line, we will be testing the weekly pivot at 3024. All right, and the only way to negate this is a bounce back above. You can see on the daily's chart. Daily's chart has a short signal. All right, starting a pullback and a targeting of 3024 on the weekly charts. And if we are able to break above that 3182 level, then we can resume the uptrend on the STI. The 4-hourly charts, you can see that a short signal was already issued 2 weeks back, and we're expecting price to pull back down to that 3024 levels. And all these levels will be updated on my blog in an hour's time, and do check back The blogs are updated on a weekly basis, and at the same time, you'll be able to see the STI metrics, which I update every week. As you can see, the uptrend stocks: DBS Bank, Capital Land, Maple Tree Commercial Trust, Straits Times, ST Engineering, Semcorp Industrial, as well as SGX, are still on a uptrend that is supporting the STI for the moment. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember to click a like button if you find this meaningful, and subscribe to get more notifications from me when I do send out new videos. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great video. Have a great weekend.